have you all here today. Today is another day, and I said today I was going to do a live stream for my group class. I've been doing for individual class one-on-one, so I said I'm going to do for the group class today. Welcome everyone. If this is your first time here, please click on the like, subscribe, share button. Okay, I'd like to connect with you. I want to know where you're watching me from. I want to know what you are doing. Are you an online tutor? Are you not an online tutor? Please share the info with me. I would like to know. Okay, so if this is your first time here, please click on the like, subscribe, share button. My name is Miss Blessing, and this is I Teach with Miss B. And today I'm going to be teaching a group class. Forget my casual dressing. I'm not in the mood to wear a shirt today. So today I'm going to be teaching a group class, and today's group class is a very serious one. We are almost rounding up for the term. Yeah, we're almost rounding up for the term, and pretty much we have a lot going on. So if you are here, this is your first time, please click on the like, subscribe, share button. My name is Miss Blessing, and this is I Teach with Miss B. I teach teachers how to teach online. If you're here, you are in the educational space or in the education space and you want to learn how to teach online, my channel is the best place to start because I have a lot that I share. Okay, Tutor Pius, hi, welcome to the live stream. It's good to have you here. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. Welcome to the live stream. I'm actually setting up for my class. Please tell me where you're watching from. Right. Sorry, give me a moment. I'm trying to set up for the class before they come in. My class is starting in the next 8 minutes. So tell me where you're watching from. I'd like to connect with you. I want to know where you're watching from. And if this is your first time, like I said, please click on the like, subscribe, share button. I love when I see new names. Tutor Pius, welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the live stream. If you're just joining here, if you're just joining in, please tell me where you're watching Miss Blessing from. Tell me if you've joined my live stream before. Tell me what you hope to get into this live stream. You're watching from Uganda. Ooh, wow. All the way from Uganda. Oh, I'm impressed. Okay, welcome to the live stream. I really appreciate you watching. Have you joined the WhatsApp channel? Okay. WhatsApp channel, please let me know. If you are in the WhatsApp, if you're not in the WhatsApp channel, please try to join the WhatsApp channel as well. The WhatsApp channel is going to be yeah, the link is in my bio, right? The link is in my bio. So today I'm going to be teaching my class English. So just in case you don't know, I am an English teacher, but I share tips for both maths, English, science, whatever teacher you are. First of all, you're a teacher, right? And you want to teach online, my platform is my YouTube channel is the best place for you to start from. And like I said, today I'm going to be teaching my students live. You'll just be hearing their voice. Actually, you might not be able to see them, but you hear them. We hear us engage. I love the engagement that comes with a group class. Yeah, so you'll hear us engage a lot, and then we'll move on from there. So Kemi Ademoyo, oh Miss Kemi, welcome to the live stream all the way from Lekki Lake. If I eat in the morning, I hope water is not carrying you away. Miss Kemi, I hope water is not carrying you away in Lekki. All right. So please be safe. Okay, so Auntie English. I like that. Auntie English. Finally, I have joined this live. This is my first time. Woo-hoo! Watching from Abuja. Very good. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the live stream. I'm happy to have you here. Okay. I'm happy to have you here. Welcome to the live stream. And I'm sure that today is going to be a wonderful day for all of us. So let's just see. Like I said, I'm going to be teaching live today. So my class is going to be more converse. You're just going to be hearing me converse a lot with my students. You're going to hear me converse a lot with them here. All right, so that's it. I'm going to be teaching poetry analysis. I'm teaching in year 7 transition class. Year 7 transition class. So if you're just joining, let me know. Miss Kemi said there's water, there's flood. Oh, please, please. Don't be carried. Let the flood not carry you away, Miss Kemi. Please let the flood not carry you away. And just like I said, if this is your first time, please click on the like, subscribe. Please click on the like button. Okay, click on the like button. So click on the like, subscribe, and share button if this is your first time joining. So my class is about to start in like 5 minutes, but I have students that have already joined. Let me see if we can actually will be able to hear them. But please do not fret. I'm here with everybody. If you're an online tutor and you're new to the online teaching space and you don't know what to do, if you have questions in the course of me teaching and you have questions, go ahead and ask. Okay, Auntie English, I am an English teacher and I admire you a lot. Oh, you turned on notification a long time ago. That's good. Don't worry, this period I'm going to be doing back-to-back live streams. Yes, I'm going to be doing back-to-back live streams because I want to trading for lost trade. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't used to trade. Oh, I'm so sorry, dear. I don't know what, and I don't know the language you just. I don't trade. All right. So, like I said, I'm going to be doing back-to-back. Thank you, Auntie English. Just follow. You're going to learn a lot. I hope my network is going to be stable enough for this live stream to work. Okay, I have my babies coming in already. Right, so I might not really be answering you guys here, but if you have questions, don't worry, just go ahead, drop it. I'm going to be responding. So let me face this, my girls, and then if in the course of my teaching, if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, all right. It's time for me to start. Hey, sorry, I just moved this. It's time for me to start class, and if you have questions, you can drop them. Okay, so let me see. Hello. Items, are you here? Rere, are you here? Hello. Hello. Camera on, please. Thames and Rere, are you guys here? Hello. Okay, I think my girls are not yet in. Are you guys in? Okay, great. Okay. Tell me, are you in class? Rere, are you in class? If you're not in class, I will go and rest. I'll go and drink red wine and relax. Are you guys in? Okay. Probably they're waiting for the main minute. Okay. You're laughing. You Huh?
My teeth fell out.
Your tooth fell out?
Yeah.
Really? Which of them?
Yeah.
Hey, so you can't chew chicken anymore.
No, I have this one.
You still have the other one.
I only have 3 more left.
You have how many?
This one.
How many has gone off?
This one. This one. And this one.
Oh, so sorry. Was it painful? Did it hurt?
No. I was chewing something, and then as I went to chew it, I literally just felt my teeth come out.
You were chewing something, and then your tooth follows what you were chewing.
Yeah, so basically, I was chewing some mini eggs, and as I chewed on this side, came out. I didn't even realize, but a lot of blood came out.
A lot of blood came out.
Yeah, a lot of blood was on this teeth.
Oh, so sorry. So sorry. But you're okay, right?
Hurt.
It didn't hurt, right?
Just 3 more to go.
Okay. So did you go to your secondary school today, or you already done that?
I already did that. I did that last week.
Okay, that's good. So what did you guys do today at school? I know you guys are preparing for closure. You guys should be closing next week, right?
No, we're closing this week.
Oh, this week. Oh,
yes.
Oh yeah, this week.
We're closing on the 7th. We're closing on the 17th. Then 2 days later, the final. The final will either be France and Argentina or France and England.
You're watching the World Cup?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That's good. All right. That's good. You're following the World Cup. That's nice. I'm not. So
Yes. I'm gonna watch until halftime today.
you're going to watch until halftime today. Why? Why are you not watching the full
Because
time?
it starts at 8.
It
So I
starts
need
at
to be
8.
in bed by 9.
Uh
And I will just get my dad to tell me the scores, and then my dad's gonna watch the whole match.
Okay.
And France better win.
France better win. Why are you rooting for France?
France, they're actually good. Right. They beat Norway 4-1. 4-1.
4-1. France should win.
Yes, of course.
Really?
They have the tactics.
They have the
They
tactics.
beat Norway. They stuffed the pattern. The one that does when Japan loses to the country that Japan lost to, the country that won against Japan, which is to the other country, is the World Cup thing. And Japan lost to another country, and the other country lost to Norway, and we are out. So this superstition that you're making is not correct. Even though it's happened 3 times.
You're really following this thing. That's nice. I'm not. Rere, are you here? I'm not actually following them, so I might not really be able to flow with you on that one. But I know that France is at the top, which is good. So if you're rooting for France, good job. Well done to you and France. So let's hope that your dream or your hope country wins.
For Brazil.
Brazil.
They lost
Okay.
against Norway.
Okay, hold on, Thames. Rere, are you here?
Yeah.
Oh, my girl, how are you?
Good.
Are you on transit? Are you in the train or are you at home?
No, I'm at home.
You're at home. Okay. The last class you left early, but you left earlier. But I think you were having network issues or something. Yeah. So, how are you doing today? Can you turn your camera on, please, for me? Thank you. Let me see your face. Oh, Ray, how are you? Okay. So welcome to class. Yeah. So in the last class, before you left, can you remember what we were doing before you left? Hi, Lewa.
Hello.
Khadija, how are you? Khadija, how are you?
Hello.
How are you? Can you hear me?
Good, thank you.
Okay. So how was school today?
It was good. We actually had a party, so we got to wear our own clothing.
You-
It was a dormant, so we had a bounce class.
You had a party today at school. Why?
Yeah.
What's the party for? You're muted, Lewa. What was the party for? What was the party for? I can't hear you. You're muted. Lewa me, can you hear me? Okay, so you're muted, so I didn't hear what you were saying. I guess you're distracted at some point. All right. Today we are going to be looking at. Oh, before we go into what we have today, let me see, what did we have in the last class, or what did we do in the last class? Let me see how many of you can remember. Yeah, please. What did we do in the last class?
Give me 3 seconds.
You want to go and check your book?
No, we basically did this. We basically did the same thing that we did We did the same thing that we did on Tuesday.
So what did we do?
About an irony.
Okay, so we did irony. What is an irony?
An irony is something that is the opposite of what you expect.
Very good. An opposite of what you expect.
The fire station caught fire.
Okay, when the fire station catches fire, that's an irony. Okay,
Yeah.
Very good.
I must have another one.
Hold on, let me ask someone for another one. Lewa, give me another one. What other literary device or poem? Yeah, what other figurative language did we do in the last class?
Alliteration. alliteration.
I know you will go for alliteration. Give me an example of alliteration.
Wait.
Hey.
The caring cold cat.
The caring cold cat. So you have the okay. Rere, can you give me one example of a figurative language? Let's go. Rere, can you give me an example of a figurative language? Is she here? She's distracted. Fine girl, Rere, can you hear me? Okay, while I'm trying to get Rere to talk, Thames, give me one.
Assonance.
Okay, go ahead. Give me an example of assonance.
Wait.
No.
As assonance saw alliteration.
As assonance saw alliteration. Can you imagine? Yeah, can you imagine? You just went and picked all the as assonance saw alliteration. Like you're trying to be smart one. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, it's not a full sentence though.
It's not a full sentence. Okay.
The fact that Bible as assonance saw alliteration. Assonance. Wait. As assonance saw alliteration. The apple went to.
Does your sentence now make sense? What contains assonance and alliteration and apple?
Apple's a person.
Apple. Please, have you guys ever heard someone's name called Apple before? Please.
Yes, I actually have. I have.
Please,
it's
Apple.
It's a nickname for someone.
Oh, if you're saying nickname, yeah, maybe. But someone's real name, no. Okay. All right. At least we are able to.
And alliteration, those could be names.
They are not names, please. They are figurative languages.
My child irony.
You name your child irony, please. Now.
I could.
You could.
I could name my child. What was that really hard one?
It's not metaphor. Do you mean metonymy? Is it metonymy you're trying?
Metonymy. And I can name my child Sinistate.
Okay. I like the fact that you're remembering them. Okay, let's go to what we have today. The fact that you guys can remember, that's okay for me. All right, so today we're going to still on poems. Remember, we've talked about figurative languages, and very soon we're going to be sharing with you guys some level of poems that you would need to identify or analyze the poem. Now, when we talk about poem analysis, we're talking about you being able to get into a writer's head. What was the writer thinking when he was writing that particular poem, or what did he have in mind when he was writing? What does it symbolize? So these are the things that we're going to be looking at today. But today we are going to be looking at poetry analysis using the PEE and the PEEL method. Okay? Yes. Thames, your hand is up. Go ahead.
Doesn't that mean that we're going to be like mind readers?
Mind readers, probably, in a way. Yeah. Based on what the writer has written, you have to think of, what was he thinking about? So we're going to be looking at that today. All right. So in the course of the lesson, if there's any parts you do not understand, please let me know. Okay. So we're looking at the PEE and the PEEL method of analyzing. And at the end of today's class, you should be able to explain the ideas. You should be able to support your ideas with evidence. You should also be able to create the meaning of the poem, or identify the meaning of a poem or the devices used in the poem, and write a good poem using the PEEL method. Okay, so get ready. You're going to write a poem for me. I know you guys are very wonderful writers, so I'm not even bothered. You're poetic. That's nice. All right, so moving forward, yeah. Now let's start with this. What is the PEEL method? When we see the PEEL method, okay, so what it is, or what is it, right? So the P method is, the P there stands for points. The E stands for evidence. I hope you guys are following. Yeah. Yeah. The P stands for points, just the same way in comprehension. Yeah. Are you guys with me? I need responses.
Yes.
Okay. Just the same way in comprehension, where you have to give the evidence from the text. Okay. When you're writing here, you also give evidence from your text. You're also giving evidence from your text, right? So you have the points, you have the evidence, you have the explanation. You're explaining your points, okay, or you're explaining the quotation from the text. And most of the time, your evidence is a quotation from the text, and it's always in a quotation mark. You all know your speech marks, right? 66.99. Yeah. So you are explaining it, and then the link is like a summary. Okay, Lewa, you look distracted. Are you with me? Lewa, are you with me? Lewa, give me a thumbs up if you're following. Okay, very good. Very good. All right, let's go to the next part.
Wait.
Are you writing?
Yes.
Where are you writing? Who is writing? If you're writing, write fast. The P is for points. The P is for points. The E is for your evidence. The second E is your explanation, where you are explaining. Very good. And then the L is for link. Just give them a moment, let them finish writing. Rere, if you are done, give me a thumbs up, so that we can break each one down. And we are going to analyze some poems together. Looking forward to it. We're going to analyze 3 different poems together, and then you're going to do your own for me.
Wait, we have a question.
Yes, please.
Like, this has to be a specific type of poem?
No, 3 different types of poem.
No, the poem that we have to write.
No, it's not specific. The major thing is that you should just have the PEL method when you write it.
I'll make a haiku.
You make a haiku poem. Okay, that's fine. So it could either be a haiku or a sequin, anyone you think.
I made one called Heatwave 2 weeks ago. I really liked it.
Okay, so when you finish making it, we're going to check if it has the PEL method in it. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay. Are we done? Are we done writing? Rere is still writing. Okay, let me give you a moment before I move on. Lewa, are you writing? Yeah, sure.
I'm doing it on notes.
You're doing it on notes. So are you done?
Yeah.
But are you done?
I'm almost.
Almost, okay. All right, so let's just give them a moment. Once you guys are done, you guys should let me know, because it's very important you have it. You're going to need it, trust me. Hi everyone, thank you for joining in. Miss Patience, thank you. Oh, you rushed in. Thank you for joining. Do you conduct tests for them? Yes, we do tests. We do tests at the end of every month. Okay, Miss Kemi, yes, we do tests at the end of every month. Auntie English, I love how your conversation. Yes, my class is always conversational. Always conversational. Okay. Hi Queen, welcome to the live stream. If you're just joining, please click on the like, subscribe, and share button for me. I'm waiting for them to finish writing so that I can move forward from here. I hope you guys are not writing everything. Just write what the P stands for, the E stands for. We're going to look at each of them one after the other. Okay. Okay, very good. All right. Okay. Just like we said, the P is for your points. The E, well, let me move these things closer to my slides so that I can easily switch. Rere, are you done?
Yes, I forgot to tell you.
You forgot to tell me the what?
On Thursday, I will have to leave early.
Why?
Because I have my production.
Oh, yes, 6 production.
Yeah. So I'm going to have to leave in like 20 minutes past.
Okay, that's noted.
By 30.
All right, noted. I'll try to teach within that time so that you understand what we have done. All right. Okay. Where are you on? Let me know. I need to move.
I'm on like last link.
On link. Okay. So finish up link quickly. Let's go. I want to show us some poems and how we use this method in poems. Okay, so the first thing you find out is you're done. Okay. Patience. Okay, that's all right.
Okay, you can go on now.
All right, thank you. All right, so let's go to this. Remy, I want you to read the poem for me. Go ahead, read the poem on the screen for me.
The moon smells softly across the silent lake, while sleepy stars walk onto the morning king.
Very good. The moon smiled softly across the silent lake while sleepy stars watched until the morning came. Before I go on, what is a four-line poem called? What do we call a four-line poem? We've done this before. Yes, we have. We did it in our first term. We did it in our summer term when we talked about poems and we talked about dragon dance poem. I know that we've done dragon dance before. So we've talked about a two-line poem, a three-line poem, a four-line poem, a eight-line poem, 12-line poems. We've talked about what they are called. So what is a four-line poem called? Pardon?
A stanza.
No.
I'm confused.
Lewa, what is a four-line poem called? What do we call a four-line poem? A poem of 4 lines is called a what?
Wait, I know what it's called. Was it a haiku?
No.
3 lines.
Haiku is 3 lines. Yes? Five, 4, 3. Wait. I should wait.
Wait, I need to remember.
You need to remember, you're checking your browser.
No, I can't.
You can't remember. Okay, it's called a quatrain. Okay?
Huh?
Quatrain.
I never learned about that.
Stop that. You guys should not say that.
I was going to say stanza, but I remember that being the first.
Stanza is when you have when you have a set of lines and then you have a space, you have another set of poems. Okay, so this is it, yeah? Quatrain. A quatrain is a 4-line poem. A 2-line poem is called a couplet. 2 UP. Okay.
I remember that now.
You remember this one now.
I remember both of them.
Okay, so just to remind you guys.
It went out of my brain last week.
Okay.
I was thinking about it last week, but it went out.
It went out of your brain last week. Okay. So a 2-line poem is called a couplet. A 4-line poem is called a quatrain. Okay, so we have a 4-line poem here, which is a quatrain. Now let's look at the point. Now they said the moon smiled softly across the silent lake while sleepy stars watched until the morning came. What is the point? The point is that the poet creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere. From my own end, the evidence is that the moon smiled softly. I want you, Thames, look at it. Apart from this evidence I have here, which is that the moon smiles softly, what other evidence here gives it a calm and peaceful atmosphere?
Across the silent lake.
Very good. Silence. The word silence here, across the silent lake, it shows that it is quiet, right? So that can also be another piece of evidence. Is that okay? Now, in your explanation, the personification, remember your explanation needs 2 things. Please follow me. Your explanation needs 2 things. One is your figurative language. That's why we did figurative languages. One is your figurative language, and 2 is your word class. Do you know what word class is? When I say word class, you know what I mean, right? Ray, do you know what I mean by word class?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you give me an example?
I mean, I'm not so sure.
You're not really sure. Lewa, what do I mean by what class? Like what? Sorry, Rere, go ahead. Like what?
No.
Okay, Lewa, yes.
World class is like I never get to explain this well. But world class is when world class is like groups that
Oh, come on. Thames, help me.
I'll know examples.
Give me example. Give me example. Give me example.
Like nouns.
Hey, that's your what class now? That's what I want. Your nouns, your adjectives, your no. I wanted to know if you had your adverbs and all of that, right? So these are your verbs. Yeah, this is what we have 8 word classes. So this is what I was looking out for.
8.
You have 8 of them now.
8.
We have 8 of them. Nouns, adjective, adverb, verbs, conjunctions, determiners. What's the other one again? Pronouns. Thank you. And what? There are 8. No, there are 8 of them. Nouns, adjective, adverbs, verbs, pronouns, determiners, conjunctions. What else again? There's one more. I can't remember it right now, but there's one more. But we have 8 of them. Okay. Now, whenever you're doing your explanation, pardon? Very good. Your prepositions. Very good. Preposition. Good job, girl. All right. So when you do your explanation should have your figurative language and a word class. Is that okay? Are you guys with me? Okay. So let's see this, right? Go ahead and read the explanation for me, Rere. The explanation. Explain.
Application gives the moon a human smile, creating a gentle, friendly image of the night. The adjective softly as calmness and quiet.
Thank you. Are you seeing the way please take note of the way it is being explained. They gave you the evidence, and from the evidence they explained the evidence that the personification gives the moon a human smile. Okay, creating a gentle. Now you're explaining what the figurative language symbolizes or what it is, and then you're also explaining what the adjective or the word class is as well. So the adjective, softly describing how the moon smiled, is also showing calmness and quietness. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so please take note of this. Yes.
By the way, I'm writing the whole thing down.
No, why are you writing the whole thing down?
I've almost finished. I want to explain already.
Okay. All right, and then the link shows the overall, like more like a summary of all you have. Overall, the poet shows that the night is peaceful and comforting. So this is how you answer your points, evidence, and explanation. Please, who has a question here? I'm ready to take questions now. Any question?
So, wait, can we, it's basically like an in conclusion thing?
Yes, something like that. Yeah, the link is like in conclusion, where you are putting everything together. Yes, that's it. So that's your link. Are you guys done? Can I move on? Lewa?
No, I'm just done.
Are you still writing? Are you writing at all?
Yes. Huh?
I'm talking to Lewa. Lewa, are you writing? I just want
to.
I'm almost. Okay. Rere, are you done? Are you writing too?
No.
No, just hold on. I'll tell you when to write, okay? Alright, let's go. Okay, let's do another one. Very good. Let's do another poem.
No, I'm not ready yet.
Why are you not ready?
Because I'm writing.
I thought you said you were done with explanation.
Yes, I'm on link.
Okay.
I'm just writing down link.
Okay, right. Let me give you 1 minute. Let me give you 1 minute. All right, so please, this is how you explain, or this is how you show your points, your evidence, your explanation, and your link. One after the other, you pick them out, okay? So they answered different questions, right? So your evidence should be something that relates to the point or shows the point. Lewa, you're going to read the second poem for me. Lewa, are you ready? Okay.
I'm done.
Okay.
Wait, do I have to do the next one too?
No, you don't need to. I'm just showing you what it is. Lewa, read the next poem for me.
The clouds gathered quietly, silver drops began to fall. First, we flowers lift their heads, welcoming every tiny gift. The earth sighed with happiness as puddles danced in the rain.
Okay, so how does the poet show that the rain is beneficial? That's the question here. That what does the poet do to show that the rain is beneficial? Now, how is he showing it? First, the poet shows that the rain brings life and happiness because it is beneficial. I'm going to ask a question here, and I'm going to ask Rere that question. Rere, follow me. I want to ask here. I have an evidence. The thirsty flowers lifted their heads. This is my own evidence. What evidence can you what other evidence can you identify from this poem here that shows that the rain brings life and happiness? You can unmute the microphone, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Wait, I don't get the question.
The question is, I gave you one evidence. No, I'm not trying to explain. I already have an evidence, but this is not the only evidence in the poem that shows that the rain is bringing life and happiness. So I wanted to find another evidence from this poem here that shows that the rain brings life and happiness. Beautiful. Amazing. Good job, girl. The earth side with happiness. She was not even sure. She was not even sure. Okay, so very good. But you actually got to the earth side with happiness. All right. So that's correct. The earth side with happiness. All right, so for my explanation, you could see again, this is personification. The poem used a lot of personification. Okay, so since flowers cannot literally lift their heads, it makes them seem alive and grateful. Then the testing suggests that the plants needed the water desperately. Okay, so you could see in this place here, we didn't really have a word class, did we? Hello, did we? No, but at least we were able to pick out what it suggests. So you might be able to pick out what a word or what something suggests based on what it is describing. Is that okay? So the poem presents the rain as something that refreshes nature. Let's do one together. All right? Let me see if you guys can actually answer this question correctly for me. Let me see how many poets I have in my class. Right. Okay, let's do this one together before we go to the third one that I have done. Let's go. The Little River. Thames, read Little River for me.
The little river raced along, singing its cheerful song. It hugged the rocks. It hugs the rocks with gentle care, bringing fresh life everywhere.
Very good. So let's go. Now this is a quatrain poem as well. 4 lines, just 4 lines, right? What? Quatrain, a 4-line poem. I just said that.
Spell that again.
Oh, you didn't write it before?
No. I was busy writing the thing, remember?
I remember.
I wrote it down fully. I even wrote down the poem too.
Okay, so quatrain. All right, so this is the poem, right? The little river raced along, singing its cheerful song. Now I'm gonna start here, right? Everyone, I want you to think. Use the chat. Give me the main idea of the poem. I want us to use the chat. I don't want us saying it out now. Use the chat. What I want you to think. Go ahead. Use the chat. What is the main idea of the poem? Yeah, private. Go ahead. Send it to me directly. What is the main idea of the poem? I know everybody is going to have different ideas, so I want everyone to be able to put their ideas at once. What is the main idea of the poem? And also, when you're done with that, tell me the line you chose as your evidence. What line tells you that that's the main idea of the poem? I'm waiting. Hi everyone. Oh, so sorry for keeping you guys waiting. Auntie English said I can't wait to transition fully into online teaching. And Miss B will certainly hold. Yes, I'm here for you. I'll hold your hands. Miss Ginika says I would love to learn how to do test and assignments. I have a video about that already on how to do test and assignments. Go and check baseline assessments. I have a video on that. I did a live stream on baseline assessments, so please check that. Okay, Tutor Ginika, hi, welcome to the live stream. Sorry, Lewa, what were you saying?
I don't know if you were speaking to us, but I couldn't hear you for.
Oh, so sorry, Terry. Okay, you said everywhere is happy. Ray. Is this what the poet wanted to show us? Okay. Yeah, everyone, go ahead. I'm still waiting for your main idea. That's a good attempt.
Oh, I sent the whole I was sending the thing and the explanation.
Go ahead, send. Let me see. What did you say?
I can't hear you properly. Can you please repeat what you said?
I said send in the chat. Send to me the main idea of the poem. What is the main idea of the poem? Give me the first answer in the chat. Of this particular poem that that is on your screen now, what is the main idea? Okay, so Teresi said that the rain is full of life.
Yeah, on the screen side.
Okay, I know this because it says on the text that it hugged the rock with gentle care, bringing fresh life everywhere. Remember what I said, right? That when you're giving a quote from the text, or when you're taking a line from the quote, what do you use? Oh yeah.
I don't want to delete it though.
Okay. No, don't delete it. No, you're not deleting it. Hi, wait. Sorry. What is the what line are you getting your answer from? What line tells you your answer? What's your evidence? Pardon?
Okay, evidence.
Yeah, what's your evidence? What line do you choose as your evidence?
And the last one.
The last one, bringing fresh life everywhere. Is that what you're saying? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so identify the literary device that was used there. So either you're identifying both a word class and the literary device. I want the both of them. Lewa, I can't see any of your answers. Okay, I've seen it now. Oh, very good, Lewa. I like this. You said the main idea is that the river is happy and full of energy as it brings new life to nature. Wow, comprehensive. I like that. Good job, girl. All right, go ahead. I want you to also tell me the literary device and what line you have chosen as your evidence. Let's do this together. Choose what line did you choose as your evidence? What line? Go ahead. Can you add what?
Okay. Like, if, because I want to add something underneath.
Go ahead.
It's for, well, it has to be in specific parts. We have to think alike to know specific parts. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Polite as me, okay?
Okay. All right. Okay, just put it in. Let me see what you're talking about. Go ahead, put it in. All right. So, yeah, I'm waiting for you guys. Put in your literary device. Lewa, where is your literary device and what class? Yeah? What literary device and what class did you get your evidence from? Let's go. What's the word class?
I used the last line because the literary device I used was personification.
Very good. So what? Tell me why.
I use personification because when it says there's multiple examples of it, like when it says it hugs the walks with gentle care, or the little brainstorm. It's already bringing energy to the people.
Very good.
Happy.
Okay, so if we were to pick a what class, what class would you pick from your evidence? You have Little River. Little here is what? Little here is what? An adjective describing the river. So it shows that no matter how small the river is, it is still bringing happiness to people. Okay, so no matter how small something is, it can still bring happiness, okay, and life. Okay, Thames, let me see what you have here.
Yes, can I go to the toilet?
Yes, please go ahead. Personification gives the river a calm image. Yeah. I'll take that. Showing us that the river is calm. All right. What is the effect? When we talk about the effect, link it for me. What effect does it have on the reader? What does it make the reader to feel? Or how does it make the reader feel? Rere, how does this make the reader feel?
More like happy, like feel good about it.
Very good. Feeling good or relaxed or happy about it. Thames, tell me, how does it make the reader to feel?
Like, actually relaxed.
Why do you say relaxed?
Or you can just feel, actually, you know how, like, when you're not happy but you're not sad, actually, it's a neutral feeling.
Neutral feeling? That's not true. When they say it hugged the rock with gentle care, and when it says bringing fresh life everywhere, you can't say that's a neutral feeling. Neutral feeling is like when you're in between. So no, I do not agree with that.
I don't know. I'm trying to say, like, happy. But you're also not sad. Like, you're just yourself. You have no feeling of emotion.
But that's not true. This poem has a lot of emotions in it.
Yes, but fine, I'll say related. Or, well, I'll keep my relaxed.
Please keep the relaxed. I will agree. I agree you stay with your relaxed, please. Okay. Should we do one more before we go to our OneNote? Can we do one more? I'm looking at the time. I'm not sure we'll be able to do one more. Okay, let's go to our OneNote, right? I would have said we should do one more, but our time is gone. We have just 20 more minutes or 22 more minutes. Let's go to our OneNote. Rebe, do you have the link to your OneNote? Should I share my screen?
I need it.
You need it?
Yes, please share it.
Okay. Are you using the phone or you're using the iPad?
Phone.
You're using the phone?
Yeah.
What happened to your iPad?
I don't have the hyper thing. It doesn't work on my iPad. The hyper thing.
That's surprising. But your OneNote can work on your iPad, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, see what I'll do. I'll share my screen. Excuse me. I'll share my screen for you. Okay, so you use the chat to put in your answers, but I'll still send the link to you as well. Hi Lewa. Lewa, are you back?
Okay.
I'll send the link to you. Let's see if it's going to work. But if it doesn't work, then I'll just share my screen and then you put your answers in the chat. I'll just do a copy and paste for you. Alright? Is that okay?
I don't see the link.
Hold on. I'm going to send it directly to you in the chat. Okay, I've sent it. Click on it.
Okay.
James, are you on your OneNote already?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. All right.
Who were gonna write the poem?
Pardon?
Who were gonna write the poem?
It's at the bottom. You see where you can write a poem there. Let's go.
I'll write it. I need to finish this quickly.
Finish section A, B, and C for me before you go to that one. Let's go. So I'm sharing my screen. Rere, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. But the link didn't work when you clicked on it?
No.
Okay. All right. Let's use my screen. So put your answers in the chat for me. All right. Put your answers in the chat for me. Let's work together. Lewa, are you back? Lewa isn't back. Okay, everyone. Sorry, I was teaching. I've muted my microphone. Don't worry, we're safe. Okay. So you said yes. Mr. Famous. Mr. Famous, you are here. Hi, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Tutor Ginika, I'm so happy. You're happy for me. I'm happy for you too, Tutor Ginika. Auntie English says, hi, Miss B. Miss B, can you one consistently get students online, especially those in diaspora? Yes, you can. It depends on your inputs. Depends on how often you show up. Depends on how well you make your posts. It depends on, there are a lot of things that guarantees you getting clients. Okay, so yes, it's very possible. It's very possible. Another thing that can help you to get clients is ads, and then showing up online. Showing up online, your ads, all of these things are things that can help you get clients. So yeah, it's very possible. It's very possible to get clients, but you have to put in the work. You have to put in the work. For instance, I put in the work, a whole lot of work to get it. So that's just the only thing. Please, if you guys are stuck, please let me know. Okay, if there's any question, anyone you're not sure about, please ask me. I'm going to explain. Okay, is that okay?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. I'm sure some of you that joined from the onset, you saw how I was teaching, and this is a transition class. When I mean transition class, they're going from year 6 to 7. Hold on, give me a moment, everyone. Yes, please.
For section A, I know what the link does, but I don't know if to put anything at the same time.
So what if you want to say what the link does? How are you going to say that? Say it.
It's like the overview of everything.
Very good. That's it. It's like the conclusion of it. Okay. Lewa.
Yes.
Where did you? Yeah, you took a while. We're on our OneNote. Please go to your OneNote. That's okay.
I haven't got to charge it, but it has enough percent to last.
Please go and charge your laptop. I don't know why your laptop is always dying in class.
Because I just my iPad.
Okay. Alright. But is it the battery? Is it enough to carry? Is it enough to carry? Okay. Great.
Are we on our OneNote?
Oh yes, on your OneNote. You have the link, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So please go ahead. If you are stuck at any point, let me know. Where you're sending your answers, I can see them in the chat. Okay, good job, Rere. Oh, I can't even copy it, can I? Let me see if I can copy this and put and repasting it as a writing. Paste. So you said it's the point. Cool. I think
Wait,
yes, please.
We have to do section D.
No, skip section D, go to section E. Skip section D, go to section E. Section E, you're writing your own poem. Okay? Sorry, Rere, sorry, I wanted to check what she was asking. Go ahead.
Why are you opening the door? Oh, my lesson is loud. I need to hear what the teacher's.
Okay, if you have questions, please let me know. I'm with you. All right, back to you guys. Oh, okay, so they're working. They have like approximately 20 minutes to work. That's how my classes go. We have 20 minutes or more to work. So I finished teaching them the one I know I can teach them. So they're actually doing their answers correctly. I just checked. They're trying. I like the answers they're giving to me. So I give them a poem. I give them 4 sections. In section A, I ask them the meaning of the different PEEL. Then why is one section important, and then I give them section B where they have to identify the meaning of a section, and then I give them section C where they have a poem and then they have to analyze the poem using the PEL method.
Okay. It has to be a paragraph though.
Sorry, give me a moment.
Be a poem?
Pardon?
Is it not supposed to be a poem?
Yes, it's a poem. So if you see it as what I mean is a stanza. So it could be a stanza of either 4 lines or 6 lines. It doesn't matter.
What about my haiku?
If you write a haiku poem, will you be able to get your PEL method from the haiku poem?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let me see what you have for me.
The link overview. Okay.
Go ahead. Let me see what you have for me. So when you put it, you're going to explain it.
Okay, it's called heat wave.
Heat wave. Go ahead. Put the heat wave is the name of your poem.
I'm tired of this weather. I'm tired of this weather.
You're tired of the weather. Is it that hot? I thought the weather has even calmed down a bit. Is it still hot?
It's cooled down a bit.
So, why is it sounding like it's so hot?
Today was only 29 degrees.
Today was 29 degrees.
Yeah.
That's fair now, isn't it? Compared to 2 weeks ago where you had 30-something degrees.
Yes.
So it's better.
No, we didn't have 30-something degrees 2 weeks ago.
What did you have?
Well, for my residential, we had like 29-ish.
You went your residential. Your residential was last week. 2 weeks ago you were in class.
Yes, it was 2 weeks ago.
Oh, okay. So I mean that's like 3 weeks ago.
Last week.
You were in class.
Last week I had my
You were in class last week, yeah. Okay, so let's go.
Okay, I want an ice cream and a very nice slushy. It is very hot. The point is it's hot. The evidence, I want and a very nice slushy, because you wouldn't have slushy in cold weather.
Is that the okay, go ahead.
That's also part of the explaining. You wouldn't have ice cream in such a cold weather.
No.
If it's minus,
No. Remember, for your explanation, you should have 2 major things. What are the 2 major things? Word
class
and
literal device.
So what's the literary device in your example or your evidence?
I don't have one.
That's your poem is not complete. Your poem is not complete.
I only had to have one.
No, you need both of them. Okay? Is either you need the both of them or you need the both of them. You need either the figurative language or you need a part of the poem that suggests your answer, just like you're saying. Okay? You need a part of the poem that suggests your answer as well. So check again. Your poem is not complete. Try again. You have a wonderful poem, but try again.
Why does it only have 6 syllables?
What told you that you should? Oh, you're talking about haiku. Haiku deals with syllables. Yes, you need syllables. 575. Oh yeah, 575. Yeah. So that's it. Okay, let's go.
Right.
Yeah.
This talks have 1 syllable or 2. I'm so confused.
Does what have words? What word is that?
Talks.
Talks. It's one syllable.
Yes.
Talks. It's
I'm
not talks.
6 syllables. And a ice cream. That.
A ice cream. Is that what I heard you say?
Yes.
A ice cream. How do you have a and ice?
And that talks very nicely. That talks very nicely. That talks very nicely. That talks very nicely. Can I put that down?
How will you say that? Tell me, put your words down. Let me see. Let me read what you're writing, because I don't understand what you're saying now. You're now beginning to sound like you're speaking French. Ray, what number are you on? Okay, quickly, let's go. Lewa, what section are you on? You're muted, I can't hear you. Section what?
C.
Okay, let me see what you have in the other ones.
I wrote it down.
I've what?
Doesn't make sense.
What did you say?
I wrote it down, but it doesn't make sense.
Okay, thank God you're the one that wrote it and you just realized that it doesn't make sense. So
no,
can you
I
think
knew it didn't make sense. But you told me to write it down. I said, okay, I'll write it down.
So you knew it did not make sense. So why were you now saying it? Why were you saying it as if you knew what it was?
I
don't know.
I want an ice cream and a Lucozade that talks. Yes! Okay, let me figure out how to spell you. I'm so happy now.
Okay, so explain the point, evidence, and at the bottom. Go ahead and explain it. Yes, I'm with you. Explain it at the bottom.
I suppose Lucozade correctly, but I don't think they have Lucozade.
It's not an English word, is it?
No, I just forgot the capital L.
Okay.
Okay, let's write it down. Stop. And it's what?
If you're stuck, please let me know. Okay, so Mr. Famous said I teach UK students.
Obvious evidence.
Sorry, what did you say? Can you what?
The most of actually, I can't.
So you just realized that you can't. Okay. Mr. Famous, you do accent and tire. You will form accent and you get tired. So it's just best you speak clearly, because sometimes you'll be speaking accent and you make mistake. So it's best that you speak clearly so that the students can follow. I'm about to round up my class. I have just 5 more minutes to round up the class anyways. I have another one after this in the next 5 minutes, but that one is a one-on-one class. That one is going to come in by, okay, that one is supposed to hold by 7.
It's the image that it is cold.
It's 7. Okay.
It's the image that the bottle at the net.
Think very well. Tell me before you're giving me your answer.
I don't know.
Think very well.
And Lucozade that talks. It uses personification.
No,
creates this personification.
That suggests what? What does it show?
Lucozade only in front of the fridge though.
What's the effect of the Lucozade that talks? What's the effect? How does it make the reader feel? Remember, when you
screaming, I'm so cold.
How does it make the reader feel?
To drink Lucozade.
Tell me no. Please no. When I say how does it make the reader feel, I'm talking about the effects of your literary or your figurative language on the reader. What does it make? For instance, in the poem that we read, where they said, "The moon smiled softly." Okay, the effect is that the personification there makes the reader to feel the softness of the moon. The moon smiling softly shows calmness. Okay.
Oh wait.
Do you understand?
Lucas said shivered. Ooh. I have one. Lucas said. And the Lucas said.
Really, I like this answer of yours, your number one answer. That's very good. Go ahead, give me your number two answer.
Wait, for the second one, I used multiple quotes. So
one quote. They said write one quote that supports your answer. So you could pick one line of the poem. One quote that supports your answer. Yeah, pick one line of the poem that supports your answer.
To say hold. Finally, I'm on my link.
Very good. Well done there.
I had to change it.
Of course. So that it will make sense.
Lucas said that shivers.
That shim.
Because you shiver when you're cold.
Ah, okay. So it shows that it is what? It is cold.
Yes.
Okay.
Then it is very hot.
All right. Lewa.
I did it.
She's not here. Okay.
Do I have to do the extended challenge?
No, you don't. All right, so are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
I have the best haiku now.
Okay, read your haiku for me.
Wait, I want an ice cream. I want ice cream.
I want an ice cream.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
A Lucas said that shivers.
It's not a Lucozade that shivers. Okay, several lines, yes, and the last one.
It is very hot.
It is very hot. Smart girl. Okay, so what was your...
Let's be my original one though. My original one was I want an ice cream and the very nice slushy. It is very hot.
That's your original one. But the original one did not have the literary devices that we're looking for, did it?
No.
Okay. So okay, you see that. All right. Rere, I want you to do number 3 for me, and then we're going to stop there. All right, Thames, I'm going to mark your work. Thank you so much for trying. You did good. Okay.
I didn't try. I persevered.
You persevered. You did not try. You persevered, right? Yeah. I appreciate you for that. Thank you for being persevering.
I couldn't give enough on that last one.
Pardon, what did you say, Rere?
Can you go back to the passage?
Oh, okay. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today. I'm glad we learned something. We're able to put it to good use. Rere, what you do for me is, I don't know how I'm going to get this work. I would want you to write your own poem. So maybe, Rere, will you write a poem in your notebook for me? When we come in the next class, you read it for me. Is that okay? You write your poem, your PEL, your points, your evidence, and your explanation, and then your link for me of the poem you've written. So it could be a 4-line poem, a 6-line poem, anyone, it doesn't matter. Is that okay?
I'll just write it.
Pardon?
Just a long poem. Just a normal poem.
Yes, just a normal poem. It could have rhymes or not, doesn't matter, but it should be able to have the PEEL method. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, girls. I have to go. Bye. See you on Thursday. All right.
Let's try to get the lesson done within 20 minutes.
Okay. All right. So that was it. 1 hour gone. Yeah. Okay. Do I teach maths? No, I do not teach maths. I do not teach maths. I focus on English. If I teach maths, I don't know if I'll be able to focus. So I just pick one. It's not like I cannot teach maths. Maybe I can try, but no, I don't teach maths, Mr. Famous. I focus on English. So this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you've learned how to engage. Remember, when I'm talking about when I teach, I do a lot of engagement. So you guys can also learn how to engage your classes. And I'll see you guys again in another live stream. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I think I have a class tomorrow morning, so I might join in tomorrow morning. So if you're going to be able to join in tomorrow morning, no problem. Tomorrow by 11 o'clock, I will try to stream that class as well. So I'll be taking it little by little as I can. But one thing I told myself is that this period I'm going to be streaming a lot of my classes. A lot of my classes I'm going to be doing streaming of these classes, because I might not have time to be doing long form content or long form videos, but I'm going to be doing live streams to cover up. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Oh, Mr. Famous Follow, thank you so much for joining today, and I'm going to see you on another live class or in another live class. I think that should be tomorrow. Hopefully I'm going to keep up showing up every day, all right, because I have a lot. This is not a lot, so I'm going to try keep up following every day until I see you again next or tomorrow. Let me not say next time, tomorrow. All right, bye everyone.